welcome back to Chucha Kids. How are you all doing? This video is gonna be fun with lots of water and foam. Today we are going to clean fruits and vegetables. Yay! It's gonna be real fun. How many of you like playing in water? We personally love playing in water, guys. So you guys gonna enjoy this video. Oh, I forgot to ask you something. Please do subscribe to Chucha Kids, like the video and also share the video. Bye guys. Chucha Kids. Both are very busy in cleaning fruits and vegetables. Now we will see what are all we got today here. Okay guys, are you ready to see? We got an apple here. It's in green color. There is another apple which is red in color. We found a plum and it's bitter gourd. And there is a corn, sweet corn. We found a pumpkin here. We found star fruit here. How many of you know star fruit? And there is a lemon. Oh no, I'm wrong. There is a mango. Oh, Mama is pouring lots of water to clean them again. And here comes an orange. Another plum. And also, I can see a red bell pepper out there. It's a capsicum or red bell pepper. We found a potato here. It's my favorite. I can eat French fries. And here is the lemon. It's in green color. I found the brinjal. Oh, she's squeezing it to clean. And it's a brinjal. Another potato. And it's ginger. How many of you know ginger? I love ginger. It smells so amazing when Mama puts it in chicken. And here is another apple which is red in color. It's an apple. It's not a apple. Here comes chicken curry, which is my favorite. And here comes another banana. Sorry. Oh, here comes another brinjal, which is in purple color. And here comes a cucumber. We also call it as kira, right? So here is the cucumber, and which is used in salads, right? And here comes Bunny's favorite, carrots. All rabbits will eat carrots, right? And here we go with another bittle gourd. We got a banana here. How many of you love to eat banana? Lippy and Vyakaran will eat bananas all day. And here is another fig. Here is cashew apple. It is also called as cashew fruit. How many of you ate this? Let me know, guys. Here are green beans. I found 3 of them. And also we found our Lippy's favorite mushrooms. They are in brown chocolate color. Here is a pear. It's in green color. And here is a guava fruit. This is my mom's favorite fruit. We found chili, red chili. It is so spicy. We found all of your. And now that cleaning is all done, we are going to dry them out. And then is the interesting part. We are going to go for the competition.
Alexa, set timer for 1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
The competition is in between Chucha and Lippy. It's all about who can keep the most of fruits and vegetables in the respective tub in a minute will be the winner. Let's see who's gonna win this competition. It's my turn now. I have to hurry and worry and bury. It's really tough. Oh God, I can make it or not? You let me know, guys. What are you thinking? Can I win or Lippy's gonna win? Mama is going to help me now. I'm tired already. I'm gonna give up. No, I should not give up. Come on, Chucha, you can do it. Come on, I'm done, I think. We are going to count Lippy's vegetables now. She collected 1 tomato, 1 pumpkin, and before that there is what is that? Mushroom. And 2 of potatoes, and 2 of sweet corn. These are all the vegetables. More are there. And 1 vegetable. So in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god, there are a lot of vegetables in Lippy's vegetable stub. And we'll count her fruits. There is 1 banana, 1 mango, and cashew fruit. There is a pear, and a guava, and a star fruit, another banana, 2 plums, and fig is deleted. So, fig is also a fruit, right? Sorry, fig. And so in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, impressive. 10 fruits and 8 vegetables. So 10 plus 8 is 18. Oh my god, Lippy got big number. And it's time to count my credits. Are you guys ready? Cheppandi, who's gonna win, me or Lippy? Any guesses out there? Come on, keep guessing so that I can count it faster. So here are my fruits. Not bad, Chucha. You collected a lot of them. Fruit and another banana. In total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fruits. And we'll go with the vegetables. Oh god. I can see only 3 vegetables. I am the loser clearly. 8, 9, 10, 11. That's it. Sure, clearly we can see Lippy is the winner of the competition. I appreciate you, Lippy. Congratulations, and you're gonna get a big present. Please share it with me too, okay? Okay. Bye everybody.